I want to move into a home like that.
What's up, MTV? Welcome to my crib.
Yep, that's me, crossing yet another dream off my dream board. Something I've become quite famous for.
I have been making these mood board videos forever, and I've been making mood boards for far longer than that.
And whether it's traveling the world, buying my dream car, chasing a fantasy, or literally anything, I have figured out a way to make sure that everything I want in life happens. Okay, that's dramatic, but I do know how to set a goal and chase it, and accomplish it. And it's all based on the idea of manifesting. AKA, it's something that you believe in so much that it comes true. And it's all in the power of the vision boards. So that's where we'll begin.
Oh my God, this is the most perfect mood board setting ever. Aside of the fact that it is literally pitch black. Oops, I didn't really think this through. Maybe if I set this up, this will work. What's up, guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my official mood board 2022 video. Can you believe it? 2022. I know. What in the heck? Time is flying. I have been making these mood board videos forever, and honestly, I always credit with why I'm here today. I put YouTube on it back in the day. Pretty cool, huh?
So I thought this would be fun if we did full pajamas, if you want a good laugh. I'm a fashion YouTuber, did you know that? What you need for your mood board is simple. You need a piece of poster. I got this at CVS literally 5 minutes ago. Some double-sided tape, scissors, and or this fancy cutter thing. I also went to CVS, shout out to CVS, to print some inspo photos. Ooh-hoo. I'll go through these in a minute and explain them all. But the first #1 thing you want to do is get a central quote. Something that you want to be the central theme of your year. What's the vibe of 2022? What do you want out of life this year?
You guys might remember some quotes from years past. Of course, my 2016 one, my most famous. What if it doesn't come true? But what if it does?
2017 was live the life you imagined.
2018 was go get what you dream of.
2019 was become the you of your dreams.
2020 was to the fullest.
And of course, 2021, last year's, was a la folie, to insanity. And this year, I'm actually going with only one word: dreamland. I want to live in my fantasies this year, all of them, you know. I'll let you in on a little secret. It's not a fantasy if you make it real. I'm living in it. Perfect. So once you have your center quote, it's time to decorate the rest of the board. What do you decorate it with? Anything that inspires you, literally anything at all. If you're having a little bit of trouble figuring out what you want to put on the board, think of it this way. Who, what, where? What specifically do you want? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to be? Where do you want to live? Who do you want to be?
These are all inspo pics of things you want to accomplish in the year.
Some of them are very verbatim. Cat. I want to adopt a cat. Look, she's looking at dreamland. So cute. And some of them are more abstract. This is a very beautiful lady lying on a witch broom with the moon and the stars around her. You know, a little bit of magic never hurts. Nice. All right, what else do I got here? I always have at least one extremely materialistic, silly item. I want to collect all the Louis Vuitton luggages. I just do. I always put some cheesy materialistic things on the board because you know what? This is my board. And well, in my case, millions of people do see my board. Usually they're like kind of a personal thing, and you can put literally anything you want on it. Anything at all. It's your dreams, so make them happen. Remember this, absolutely nothing you want is insignificant. So if you want it, put it on there. Chase it. Bum, bum. Oh, I love this one. This one's actually two things. You can see this is a painting of like an old style ballroom. This is what I want to do to my ballroom.
Like, you know, this is what the ballroom looks like right now, but I'm gonna turn it into something like this.
Also, this is so romantic, and I want to dance in there with someone. I am a hopeless romantic. I always have been. One of my dreams is to dance in there with someone someday, so maybe that someday will be this year. Who knows? Don't you see it? Oh, this room is so romantic. Oh, this one. I have had this saved on Pinterest for years. In hilarious news, this is actually an excerpt from Kim and Kanye's Vogue interview. So that actually just makes it even funnier, but anyways, I'm gonna put that on there. Oh, this is a big one. So, this is actually the architect's drawings of my house. Last year's mood board hella came in clutch, and I bought a house this year. Literally, this is just the greatest house in the world. Oh my God, I cannot wait to decorate it. Like, this is the real floor plan right here, and this is the photo I took of it. Oh, it's gonna be so cool. When I'm filming this video next year, I'm gonna be living in this decorated house. Oh, pretty cool. So, anyways, oh, I love ones like this. This is a DM someone sent me a while ago. Just always loved this. I never forgot it. It's like it goes with home renovation, so we're gonna put that on there. This is more home renovation stuff. This is what I wanna change my bathroom to. This is actually the Ritz Paris. Obsessed with this. And this, again, like I said, romance. I've never put that on the mood board before, and so I'm going to try that. I usually say don't put things on there you can't control, but you know, I'm putting it out there. This is an old magazine ad, but it's also a hint at something cool. Can't wink, but I've been writing my book forever. So this year we're publishing it. Maybe I'll go on a summer book tour, who knows? Mark my words, I'll be a published author this year. I've always wanted one of these staircases. So I am going to knock down this wall and put one in there. Just the railing, not the whole staircase, but it's happening. I'm thinking this for this room. What do you think? Do you see it? My black and white marble floors in the entry. It's happening. To do all that, I need some money. Turns out marble floors are expensive. Like, comment, subscribe so I can afford my floors. I'm kidding, but I'm not. Still want to see the world. Summer 2022. See you there. This is the old Instagram logo. Do you guys remember that? I want to have more fun with Instagram again. Like, I want to post chaos like I did in 2013 when it was like a picture of a salad and I thought it was the best picture ever. So get ready for a little bit of chaos on there. Screenshots of songs are another good thing to put on there. I want to always live like I'm on vacation, so it's happening. This is the Sky Castle, get it? This is actually a screenshot of a tweet that's basically like about self-care, so I'm gonna try and actively take better care of myself. This is me plotting to rule the world and relaxing. I love to put text messages people send me because I feel like they're like just a little bit of romance. They're like today's version of love letters, so yeah, I put inspiring ones on there that go with the theme. Stick those on. Like, you know, we got everything on there. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I love this. Perfect. Ta-da! So good! Won't it be cool next year when I'm standing here on all of the things that I just put on the board? Now I gotta go home and hang it in the house that I'm currently living in. So I see it every day and get inspired. So. Hello, sugar butt. Hi, honey. Hi. All right, it's time to ceremonially swap them. But first, you didn't think I'd do this video without doing a year in review, did ya? I crossed off some material things. Yeah, I want to get a Birkin. Congratulations, girlfriend. You fucking did it. Extremely random. I want to buy a harp. A real harp! Wow! Oh my god. I want to move into a home like that. What's up, MTV? Welcome to my crib. Officially a homeowner. Yes, that's right. And of course I did some things that weren't even on the mood board. So this is gonna be the center quote. And the fact that I got a tattoo, something I thought I would never ever do. Talk about dedication to the year's theme. This is so funny. Oh my god, you guys, can you tell I've literally lost my mind? Yeah. Literally still can't believe that. That's crazy. If I had that many people listening to me, what would I want to say?
This year, I'm saying it.
And I made what I think are some of the best videos I've ever made. Ooh, time for the juicy good stuff. I've had so many experiences of my love life, but the only one that I have never really had is being in love. For real. Every inch, every line on you is to be treasured as the treasure that it is, because they're what make you, you. Wow, am I gonna cry? Why am I gonna cry? Words are such a gift, you know, spoken and written. They truly have the power to change your whole world. Life is whatever it is you want to believe it is anyway, so I always choose to believe in magic. An unlimited amount.
2021 was an insane year, and you know, while it's no secret the world has been different the past few years, it doesn't mean there weren't magical things happening. And you know, now more than ever, I think I appreciate the magic that isn't in the big things, but you know, in the small things. And it's no revelation that the small joys really are the big things in life. You know, to the love and the magic recreate. What a world.
Oh, you can see the stars. Wow.
And truth is, as much as I'd like to take credit for all the wonderful things that happened in my life, truth is it wasn't any of those things bringing the magic to me. It was you.
Mood boards aside, you know it's you. It's always been you, so thanks.
I just would like to say a huge, genuine, full thank you from the absolute bottom of my heart. I would never be able to repay, you know, everything that you guys have given me, but I hope through my videos, at the very least, I can inspire you to dream too. So don't give up on anything, ever. I love you guys so, so, so very much. Never give up on your dreams, because it's never too late, and anything you want in life can and will come true if you truly believe in it. So don't ever let life be anything less than everything you imagined it to be. Thanks for the world. Excited to see you chase it too. Till next time, XO.
I'm on top of the world.
Top of the world in a Christmas bear suit. Oh. Okay. See you in 2022. What a way to end the year.